Health is wealth. We heard that all the time. But have you ever considered, are you healthy or are you wealthy? Are you tired of living with pain? If you are you ready to free yourself from pain? Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Nguyen Tran. I'm a chiropractor and I'm the founder of Optimal Chiro-Rehab Center. And as the name implies, we provide chiropractic, acupuncture, and physical rehab. Let me show you how we can help you. So most of you looking at our website just because you have joint pain, back pain, neck pain, shoulder pain, knee pain. But all joint pain, most of them are caused by overused muscle. So in Optimal Chiro-Rehab Center, what we do is we start out dealing with the energy level so that we increase the energy in the muscle, would help the muscle remove more lactic acid, reduce muscle spasm. Now there's two states where we address the muscle. The first is we help bring in more energy to the muscle to help them heal and remove the lactic acid buildup inside the muscle. And then the second state of dealing with muscle is where the muscle rehab is. Because as you know, most of us have bad habit and poor posture. You heard that term all the time, but do you ever think about what kind of activity you do that create poor posture and how much damage they do to your body? So physical rehab really take time to reverse all the bad habit over time. However, if you're pain, you can move the muscle the way you want it to, and that's where compensation is. So in Optimal Chiro-Rehab Center, we start out with cupping and acupuncture to reduce pain, reduce inflammations, and then chiropractic treatment to move the joint. When your joint move well, your energy flow a little better, then we retrain the posture. It's not only start out to fix the symptom, reduce the inflammation, reduce swelling, but then after that, we have to reverse the process that get you here in the first place. That's repetitive trauma. So when you look at a body to figure out whether you're healthy or not, don't rely on pain. It's all about functional, because only 10% of your spinal nerve are pain. So think about the most disease that kill people, they're not painful until too late. Just especially joint disease. If your spinal discs are slowly shrinking, you don't have a lot of pain. Why? Because it might be a little discomfort, but we're really good at adapting. Every day you adapt to the new level. That's why if you look back 10, 15 years ago, you're a lot more energetic. You feel much better. You can work for like 10 hours. Now after 2-3 hours, you start to feel fatigued. You start forgetting things. Why? Because your body is not where it used to be. It just consumes a lot more energy underlying that you don't see. For the body to control pain, it takes energy and they drain you up just like you open too many apps on your phone that you don't know. It drains the battery out like crazy, but you don't see it. Same thing with chronic joint issues, tight muscle. The body delivers energy through your circulatory system, to your blood vessel. So when the muscles collapse in, what happens? Everything is compressed. And when your muscles tight, your blood is constricted, your heart has to work harder. So at Optimal Chiro-Rehab Center, we address the joint, the muscle, the energy. And then let's elaborate a little bit on energy. The acupuncture itself increases the energy flow in your body, but the energy has to come from somewhere. And that energy comes from food, nutrition. We tend to forget how important food is. You know, sometime back in the day when we were younger, we eat just to fill ourselves up. All the vitamin and mineral your body uses, they came from food. So if your food are not high quality, they're not good, you don't eat well, where does your body get the energy from? So most patients, when they come to us, we address the symptom, the complaint, the primary complaint right away, but we always educate to make sure the patient understands how important eating is. Think about most people, how much time you spend on eating. Some of us more, some of us you eat on the run. But it's not only the food you eat. After you eat, does your body have time to digest them? Your stomach needs blood too. Your stomach needs to have oxygen. Your stomach needs to have time. But if you eat on the run, even though you eat good food and your stomach doesn't have time to work to extract out the good stuff, do you actually take it in? Usually you don't. And that's where you start having bloating, gassy, and then acid reflux, all that stuff. We really make sure we look at the body at holistic. We look at different aspects. We look at the chemical imbalance, the emotional stress, structural stress. So the physical work we do here, we focus a lot on structural. But the chemical, as I mentioned just now, the food, the water, the air is extremely important. If we don't address them, doesn't matter how many times you come in for us to treat you, Your body just don't have the raw material to fix itself. We don't really do the fixing. We just help the body do the fixing itself. But the body needs to have all the help. Never get too busy to make a living that you forget to make a life. It seemed like every patient I had encountered in the last 18 years always tell me they have no time. If you don't have your time for yourself, who you have time for? We're here to help, but we can't help you if you're not here. Our passion is to make sure you live your life to the fullest and don't get too busy to make a life. You are granted this life, right? But you have to take time to nourish and take care of it. We have to do it together. I can't do it without you, and you can't do it on your own. So if you commit it to yourself and make your life better, come here. You belong here in OCRC. Don't wait. Pick up the phone, make a call now.